Alright guys, this morning we're going to take a little stroll down MacArthur here. Actually have a brownout this morning going on. But the nice thing is we were notified about it today. But anyways, let's take a stroll down MacArthur Boulevard here. Here we are right here. That's the end of Walking Street and McDonald's. And we're going to head this way. Traffic's pretty low this morning. I don't know, maybe around 9:30, somewhere around there. Actually hear the generators running in a lot of these buildings here. A lot of the bigger businesses, they'll have big generators in there to kick on when the power goes out. But I'm not going to complain because you know what? As long as we've been living here, we've had hardly any brownouts. And I'll take that. Like I said, they actually let us know today that there was going to be a brownout, so they didn't surprise us. This place here has been here a while. This Lechon joint right here. This place here was the first time I ever came to the Philippines and had lechon manok. It was right here. This place right here. First time I ever had it, and it was excellent. We got Stoner guy up here. Got to get my coins ready for him. You guys don't know what Stoner guy is. He's one of the first panhandlers I've met here in Angeles City. And somebody pissed him off. He picked up a stone and threw it at him. And I started laughing. I couldn't stop it. Every time I see Stoner guy, I give him some coins. There's Stoner guy right here. All right, buddy. Morning. Oh, somebody did ask me if Johnny's was still here. Yeah, Johnny's is still here. Johnny's been here a long time. That's the internet company there, Converge. I call them Clown Verge because their services are like a clown. Usually that parking lot's full there, but like I said, it's Sunday, and maybe with the brownout, they're not open. Fortune, good seafood, Hong Kong seafood restaurant, excellent place to eat. Matter of fact, 2014 Valentine's Day, we ate there, and I think that was the last time we ate there. But it is very good. 2014. I guess that sign's outdated. Huh. Hiring female daily basis 300 to 1,000 and up. No bar fines. Wow, no bar fines. A nice looking bike. Take a little stroll back here. I'm going to show you where we do our money exchange. We don't use the money exchangers up on the street and fields there. They're there and you do get a good rate. I'm going to walk back here. I'm going to show you where we get actually our money exchange, and we get a little bit better rate than up on the street. But it's one of these, it's hidden back in there, and if you don't know it's there, you won't go there. I gotta watch I don't get hit. I gotta get up here to the crosswalk. If I'm in a crosswalk, they should stop. Then again, you have people that, thank you, they don't want to stop. Then you gotta get out of the road here, else the jeepneys will run you over. But anyways, back here, I'm going to show you. Right there is the casino. Big casino here. Right on MacArthur. Just for a reference point. When you come back here, 7-Eleven back here on the corner. Make this left here. And the place is right here on the right hand side. Dollar exchange yen and other foreign currencies. It's actually a hotel area. What's the name of the hotel? I'll have to look. Right here, I've gotten the best rates going. Alright guys, so the name of the hotel is Flamingo Hotel. So yeah, like I said, best exchange rates I've found. Right here on the corner. And let's head on up here and I'm going to show you guys the casino real quick. There it is, guys. Casino Filipino. Casino Filipino is the name of the hotel. Casino Filipino, there it is. Let's see, got some pretty cool pretty cool looking, huh? Casino Filipino. I know somebody's going to say, well, why don't you go inside and show us around? It's like any other casino. They don't let you film inside casinos. So, I've never been in there. Not a big gambler. I think went a handful of times to Atlantic City, but I'm not a big gambler. It's not my thing. I don't like to lose money. That's why I'm not a gambler. Anyways, guys, we'll take a stroll up here on the other side of MacArthur. Show you what's on the other side of the street. Videoke Rentals. Morning. Everybody wants to be on camera. Pet shop. Yeah, a little pet shop. A lot of these stores are closed. I don't know, probably because of the brownout. Or because it's Sunday. Who knows? Alright guys, here's Johnny's again. Johnny's Supermarket. So yes, Johnny's is still open. Parking anytime tollway zone. Jollibee. Selling to measles. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. Hope you enjoyed the little stroll up here at MacArthur. Nice little walk. But like I said, nothing really going on this morning. Kind of quiet. Traffic's kind of low. And hello. Oh, what's that? That guy just pulled over, recognized me from YouTube. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the little stroll, and I guess until next time.